Good morning, this is Jim, the Grumpy Plumber. I've had a lot of questions on on-demand water heaters. Some people know what they are, some don't know what they are, but this is what we call an on-demand water heater. There's about 4 brands that I know of that I've used, and one is a Snavian, one is a Nordic, the other one is a Kagi, and a Renai. They're all very good brands, okay, because I'm not really promoting one. The one I use this one here, it's called, they have an inline circulating pump. It's built into the unit. Years ago we had to add special tanks and everything else to use a circulating pump. Then we would get what they call a cold flash. This one here, you don't get that. At the end of the line, another thing that made this easy, we didn't have to run a circulating line. We went right directly to the last fixture in the house and put a crossover T in, which is a very thing, cost maybe about $100 to do, but very simple than running a circ line on it. You see it needs a larger gas line to it. It takes, another thing with them is there's no storage tank like a regular water heater. It takes up, a big water heater, 40 gallon is common, 50 gallon water heaters are very common to it. So this one, you do not have a storage tank, but you need a good gas flow. This is a 240A, which would handle approximately 4 showers in a lab. That means that 4 people could take a shower and somebody could turn on a lab, if the piping size in the house is made for that. And nowadays, new houses, they're pretty much, the houses are sized for piping. Instead of doing them in 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch, now they size it to how many bathrooms there are. And that will give you enough flow to run the water to take a shower. Now, come and take, it's kind of like I have a 2-bath, and pretty much 2 people can take showers at the same time there. Another thing is, as far as cleaning goes, you should have a water softener. This water softener sitting here is ideal for this. It makes it have a longer life on cleaning it. And they recommend every 3 to 5 years that you run some vinegar through it with a what we call a transfer pump that moves water real slow, and you just put the vinegar and turn it on, and you flush it through it about an hour, and it keeps the sediment out of the coil that heats the water fast, because you're heating it at such high BTUs, you can tend to get some lime in it. But every one I've cleaned that are on softeners, I get very little lime out of it, very little discoloration to the water on it. What other features can I tell you about them? I just think they're the upcoming thing, because pretty soon you will not see the on-demand water heater anymore. They'll replace them with these. You can put these in basements, you can put them out, this one's outside. They vent with PVC pipe. Your biggest thing is a gas supply. Even this one here could run on a 1/2 inch gas supply. Being this close to the meter, it'll put enough gas into it to make it run. But there's a lot to them, but once you can do it, or once you spend the money, I think they're well worth it. And the life of them are supposedly, right now we're finding, we didn't think they'd last very long in California, because we go through water heaters, and we're finding out they're lasting forever, but they can be repaired too if they leak. Another thing that you get is a rebate on this heater. This one happened to be, or all of them on demands right now, are offering a $1,000 rebate on them. I think that only goes to January 1st, but darn well they're going to come back out with them. Now that's a California gas company, but maybe other gas companies are doing the same thing. I hope you like this video. If you don't like it, ask your mailman. Maybe he can help you out on what water heater to buy. Thank you.